Here we will write a Python program to create an array with array method and print it. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. To create array, first we will import the array. So import array as arr. Then we will create array as number equal to arr dot array. Type will be integer. So I comma elements for that array. I will give 10, 20, 30 and 40. Then we will print this array using for loop. So for I in, here we will use range function. So for range 0, 3, and we will print array as print number of I, and then we will save this and we will execute this. It will print array as 10, 20, 30. We can give here message print elements of array, and if we execute, it will print elements of array as 10, 20, 30. We can print this array on same line by using number I comma end equal to space, and if we execute, it will print array on same line.